In this video, I'll show you how to set a specific ringtone for any saved contact on your iPhone. First, open the Contacts app or go to the Phone app and tap on Contacts at the bottom. Then find the person you want to set as the ringtone for and tap on their name. Now, tap Edit in the top right corner. Scroll down a little and you'll see an option called Ringtone. Tap on it. You'll see a list of all available ringtones on your iPhone. Choose the one you like for that person. You can preview them by tapping on each one. Once you've picked your ringtone, tap Done on the right. Then tap Done again to save the contact. In addition, you can also turn on the haptics option. Tap on Accent if you want vibration, or None if you don't. There's also an emergency bypass option. If you turn this on, calls and texts from this specific number will still come through even when your phone is on silent or focus mode. Once you've selected everything, tap Done, then tap Done again to save the changes. And that's it! Now your iPhone will play the ringtone you set whenever they call you, so you'll instantly know who's calling.
In bonus, iOS 26 update allows iPhone users to add any song as a ringtone without an app, no PC. Refer to separate tutorial given in the video description. If this video helped you, tap the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to Free Tech Guide for more iPhone tips and tricks.